Cattle are not allowed to enter this ground. Cattle are not allowed to enter this ground. Cattle is singular, as well as plural. So, cattles is wrong. You can buy the scissors that is sharp. You can buy the scissors that are sharp. Here, the relative pronoun that talks about plural scissors. So, plural verb must be used. Many a book have been stolen from the library. Many a book has been stolen from the library. Many a always takes a singular verb. None, but soldiers is always ready to fight. None, but soldiers are always ready to fight. The noun that follows none but decides the verb. Lime and soda are a digestive drink. Lime and soda is a digestive drink. Lime and soda together makes a drink. It talks about one idea, drink. So, singular verb must be used.